Good morning. My name is Jorge León Arenas. Mm, Unit 2, Step 3. Identifies technology coach I approach is based. It is it on the productions that upload obtain indicators on prepared structural principle. If there are similar products in a market, the one which the low price will be integrated in the mint, depending on the type of customer is used for homes, which are class cost of values, closing of war expenses, uh, construction or reducing on cost. The question is price, cost, and value. On parallel in cost approaches, production, sales, administration, and production cost direct, cost indirect, and production. Immediate and activity lacks of information on the marketing channels. Analytics parties look of information, look of production skills, and technology maturity, farm owners operation of the fisheries. The relevant information does not allow them to be closed or divorced. And Synopsis tablet lacks if information on the market and marketing channels, marketing new lead, optimal placement, defining business plan, public availability, normative regulation. Newly establishment on distribution and marketing channels, defining business plans, goals, and sales objectives, and digit availability according to the scopes to the projects. Recommendation: conduct further factory record shares on new valuation methods and treat difficulties that other types of organization might face. New and adaptable marketing practice for fields, universities, national or international scope. With the split of the market and its regulation, innovation in the design and development of the technologies. This is it is my activity, business, technology, and recommendations for activity. Thank you.